Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of login problem on the application of Calm. You will go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Calm app and you can click. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then in this page of storage we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.